was your driveway before you guys installed the pavers?
It was poured concrete with some stamped concrete in the front porch, and then we had actually had it colored, and it had never held up. We had done it a couple different times, and the material that they used to color the driveway just kept peeling up all the time, and I was never satisfied with the way it looked. Well, just checking into it, and to rip up the driveway, they would have had to rip it up anyway, so I figured it's for the additional costs. We just loved the look of the pavers. We said that was one big mistake we made when we made the house, that we should have had pavers put in the first place. Well, we looked at a lot of the samples online, and then we looked at, there was actually a house over here that had the same base stone on it. They didn't use the border, but we had, and then over on Wicklow, there was one where you had done the special brick border, and we said we really liked that, so we wanted to do something a little different.